Simulan mo na yan, Alex G. Take it away!
Hi, Manila. Welcome back.
Wow! Hi, Manila.
This is the part when I say I don't win. I'm stronger than I've been before. This is the part when I break free. 'Cause I can't resist it no more. Yeah, yeah, Manila, welcome back.
Yes!
Yun! Ariana G!
Guys, may napansin ako,
Fire!
parang wala sa tono yung gitara.
Wala. Alam mo, 6-part invention.
Wala ka sa tono.
Nanisip pa. Jeff, ikaw na. Oy!
Nako, ang galing naman ni Chito. Charot. Thank you.
Going back to the corner where I first saw you wanna camp in my sleeping bag, not gonna move. Got some words to come over your picture in my head, saying, if you see this girl, can you tell me where I am? Some try and money they don't understand. I'm not broke, I'm just a broken hearted man. I know it makes no sense. What else can I do? How can I move on when I'm still in love with you?
Thank you. Ayun. Thank you for attending the debut, Jeffrey Tan.
Hey, Valerie.
Ayan. Ang bagong member ng Little Mix.
Kamukha mo si para luma. Nung tayo ay bata pa. At ang galing-galing mong sumayaw. Mapagbugi man o cha-cha. Ngunit ang paborito ay pagsaya mo na ending mo. Nakakainap, nakakaalib, nakakaibig, balahibo. Yun na yun. Abangan nyo na lang yan sa album ko.
Ito kukunin namin sa racket.
Salamat sa bagong member ng
Yung
Spice
yung
Girls.
nahuli ang kukunin namin sa racket.